Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we compare products so you don't have to spend half your life Googling best UPS battery. Today, we're diving into a shocking battle between two powerhouses. On the left, we have the UPS Battery Center RBC 154 compatible replacement battery. And on the right, the CyberPower ST 425 standby UPS. Who will win this electrifying showdown? Let's find out. Remember, folks, the stakes are high. Much like my blood pressure when my Wi-Fi goes out during a Netflix binge. First up, let's talk about the price. The RBC 154 comes in at a shocking $55. That's less than what I spend on coffee in a week. Meanwhile, the CyberPower ST 425 is just a tad pricier at $59. Reviewers of the RBC 154 appreciate its affordability and value, with one stating that replacing the battery is like having a new unit for half the cost. On the other hand, CyberPower users feel that the extra few dollars spent on the ST 425 is justified due to its robust performance. So, if you're looking to save those precious pennies for more important things, like that overpriced avocado toast, you might lean towards the RBC 154. But hey, if you want to splurge a little, the ST 425 is like the fancy dessert at the end of a meal. Still delicious, just a bit more expensive. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty power capacity. The RBC 154 is like that reliable friend who shows up on time but doesn't really have a lot to offer. It's compatible with APC models, but doesn't specify how much power it packs. Reviewers have noted its dependable performance even if it lacks specific power metrics. On the other hand, the CyberPower ST 425 is strutting in with a robust 425 VA 260W. That means it can keep your home office and gaming console alive while you're busy pretending to work. Users rave about its ability to provide clean output and quick recharging, making it a preferred choice for those who need reliable power. I mean, who doesn't need a backup for their backup, right? Next up, outlets. The RBC 154 is like that one person who only brings one snack to a party. Great, but you're still hungry. It doesn't have any outlets because it's just a replacement battery. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward nature, but they do wish for more versatility. Now, the ST 425? It's got 8 outlets, 4 for battery backup and surge protection, and 4 just for surge protection. Reviewers love the variety of outlets, which they describe as a buffet of power. You can plug in everything from your computer, to your gaming console, to your cat's latest electric toy. It's basically a party in there. Let's talk additional features, shall we? The RBC 154 is pretty straightforward. Just a battery. It's the plain bagel of the UPS world. Reviewers mention its ease of installation, but note it lacks extra features. But the ST 425? Oh boy, it's got LED status lights to let you know when it's powered on and if there's a wiring fault. Users appreciate these notifications, describing it as having a personal assistant who tells you when you're doing something wrong. Plus, it has transformer-spaced outlets, which makes it more user-friendly. What does that even mean? I don't know, but it sounds fancy. Finally, let's discuss warranties. The RBC 154? No warranty mentioned. It's like a blind date with no guarantee. You're just hoping for the best. Reviewers express concern over long-term durability without a warranty. However, the ST 425 comes with a glorious 3-year warranty, including the battery. and it has a $75,000 connected equipment guarantee. Users feel secure, knowing that if their connected devices decide to pull a Houdini, CyberPower's got their back. That's like a safety net for your tech. In summary, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The RBC 154 is praised for its affordability and reliability, making it a solid choice for basic needs. However, the lack of features and warranty raises concerns. Meanwhile, the CyberPower ST425 shines with its robust power capacity, multiple outlets, and extensive warranty, making it an excellent investment for those who require more from their UPS. So who wins this electrifying showdown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, straightforward battery replacement, the RBC 154 is your guy. But if you want a power-packed, feature-rich UPS that's got your back and your gadgets, the CyberPower ST425 is the way to go. Remember, folks, choose wisely because nobody wants to be left in the dark. Unless you're playing hide and seek. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And tell us in the comments, which product would you choose? Until next time, stay smart, and as always, buy smart.